everyone, this is Buddy back with another video, and we're back with the tech or gadget backpack that I give you guys all the stuff that you need for certain situations. Last time we did the essentials. If you guys haven't seen that video, you might want to go check it out after this one. Now this time we're doing the family vacation. You are planning a family vacation and you're packing up to go. So what do you guys need to bring technology-wise that will be that important? Now, first up, let's take a look at the camera. So guys, the camera is right there. We got a tripod and the DSLR camera. Now, you don't need the mic, but I'd highly recommend getting that tripod because you never know when you're going to be out and about and you want to set it up for a nice picture and nobody's around, or you just don't want to ask strangers to handle your nice camera. So you definitely should get this Joby Gorillapod. It's a little bit more on the expensive side, but it's definitely rugged and worthwhile, and it'll keep your camera safe. I'd highly recommend bringing that DSLR camera because it's very versatile and you can get some amazing looking shots out of that. Now, phones can do the same thing, but just when you zoom or when you want that nice shot, sometimes the phone doesn't cut it. But you definitely can bring a nice phone along with you if you'd rather go that route. Back to the DSLR route. You're going to need some different types of lenses. Now, I'm only limiting it to 2 because we want to pack light, we want everything to fit in this and have a no-hassle bag that we bring on vacation. One lens is the zoom lens. You got to have a zoom lens to get those faraway shots. I'd recommend really at least having 85 millimeters and above. So whether that's an 85mm prime, that even sometimes works, although it's a little tougher, or just a zoom, maybe 18 to 135, 70 to 3, whatever. Gotta have that lens to get those long range shots because you never know when somebody's out in the water, something's far away that you want to see, hey, that's a super cool picture, let's make sure we capture it. And it'll be high quality. Now, you got the long range shots. Now, you gotta have something that gets those close range as well. So I have the 10 to 18, although now I'm more using the 18 to 35 lens, Sigma. Everything will be in the description, by the way, if you guys want to check out any of these products. Basically, you gotta have something that can capture everybody in the frame and that you can be up close and personal and not be up their nose. Maybe you want a selfie with your Gorillapod, but DSLR camera batteries aren't always that great, so I always recommend having the extra battery pack. It's about, I don't know, about $50 I think mine was. It's well worth it, especially to be able to take pictures all day long. Even 2 batteries should even probably last you a long weekend as well. Now, if you're using your phone, I'd highly recommend bringing one of these power banks because you'll run out of juice, but with this guy, you will not. 20,000, it'll charge up that phone like more than 5 times sometimes, depending on your phone. And you always got to carry around a charging cord for your phone, and maybe a charging cord that does all of them. So USB Type-C, micro USB, and Lightning. So these were all featured in the Essentials video if you guys want to check that out, as I said before, but it's definitely good to always have your devices powered. Now, speaking of that cell phone with pictures, I'd highly recommend having one of these wallet cases. Either it's a case or it's a little stick-on that you stick onto the back of your phone, and you put your major credit cards and ID in there. Maybe even some cash if you're going somewhere else. So this is a great option for having those quick access, no need to carry a wallet and your phone and this and that. This simplifies it and has it all right there and easy access for you. Now, getting into the other stuff we got in here. Well, we gotta bump some jams. So we got the Bluetooth speaker. I'd highly recommend a rugged one that's maybe waterproof, like this JBL Clip 2. That sounds great and is nice and loud, and hey, if it falls in the pool or gets wet, you're good. Now, sometimes, though, you want some quiet time and some alone time. That's why you gotta bring at least 1 pair of headphones just to have with you. Now, depending on whether you want Bluetooth, which I like, or wired so you don't have to charge them, that's up to you. Now, we do have the Microfiber Cloth because on vacation your stuff might get dirty, fingerprints, sunscreen, you know how it goes. Always have a Microfiber Cloth with you. Now, the last 2 things is the laptop. The laptop, or I also thought that a streaming stick like a Roku or Fire Stick or a Chromecast, those also would work, but basically something that when it's at the end of the night, you guys want to watch a movie together, you either got your laptop or you plug the streaming stick into a TV. You guys can all enjoy your media on there. So this way that the family can all watch something together, or you can just show everybody the pictures that you took, the videos that you took, a funny movie you saw, or anything like that. You gotta have something that the whole family can watch. But basically, guys, this is the vacation package. Not too light, not too heavy. Something that's simple and will get the job done and not bog you down with worrying about everything, and let you enjoy and have everything going right on your vacation. But if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments below, and hit that big red subscribe button if you haven't already, with that bell icon ding so you're notified of our upcoming videos. If you guys have any other suggestions or want to see something else, let me know in the comments below. But thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video.
Hold up.